Whether you use BuildBetter's change logs or if you have your own change logs, BuildBetter can look at your publicly facing documentation or internal, as well as your change logs to identify gaps. Once we identify a gap, we will either say, hey, this seems like there's something there, there's already a match, but maybe there's something that needs to be updated, or we find no match whatsoever, and we recommend you to add this to it. Now, you can kind of change why and what you reject for and what you want and what you don't want. And a lot of these you can also review completely via MCP or the agent. So you can even spin this up into your Claude or your Codex and say, go through all of our knowledge gaps, identify which ones to add, and then add it and add the knowledge gaps. We will also give you the change log, the evidence that we have, all the related stuff. We'll go through your documentation. We have a publicly facing documentation that we're checking. We also have our change log inside of BuildBetter. And you can see here the prompt. So you can just copy and paste this prompt as well and send that to your agent in order to take care of this. Now, to set this up, you just go to settings, and then under success, you can give us an RSS feed of your changelog, or again, you can use BuildBetter's changelog if you don't have one. You can also give us GitHub access. So we can integrate into your GitHub, and then we can pull from your GitHub live so that we can pull the most current things that are happening, even if they're not in your changelog. So maybe there was a bug fix that wasn't in your changelog. Maybe your changelog, for example, are just user facing or just new things. We can also identify bug fixes and then also update your changelog. Now, this goes into closing the loop and a bunch of other stuff that we have inside of BuildBetter, but this is one of the best ways of getting value from BuildBetter, which is getting your changelog into BuildBetter, getting your knowledge documents into it as well. So you can see here under documentation sources, you just add your documentation source here, and then we will do the backfill. Just hit run backfill, and we'll go through and we'll identify anything in your changelog that's not in your documentation. It does use some credits, but we'll identify what the credits are, and we'll let you know, and then we can run this on automatic repeat as well. All of this is available via MCP, which is probably the best part, and I'm so excited for you to try it out. Talk to you later. Bye.